Hi guys, in this video lecture, I'm going to discuss about how to install Gemma for 12B on Windows 11 operating system. So if I go into this command prompt, write there CLS, if I write there Ollama --version, so you can see 13 version that already installed. So with the help of this Ollama that I'm going to get their Gemma for. So in Google search box, write there ollama.com. Then go on this models. Here you can see these models are available. Let's go for Gemma 4. Here you can see Gemma 4 latest, this one. 12 is the most famous. So let's click on this Gemma 4 12B. You can get this command. Simply you can copy and paste it there and press enter. So this here polling manifest total size 7.4 GB. This is currently downloading and this will take some time to complete this download. Now you can get this here details models you can do their projector license and plans. So now here you can see this is currently downloading the files. It's a local AI you can use in your Windows, Mac or Linux operating system. So waiting till completed for this. So now I'm going to pause the video. After waiting some time, so this Gemma 4 12B that installed successfully inside the Windows operating system. So here pulling manifest this all 100% this here. Now let's test something. So simply writing there hi. Now you can see all this here. After this here, this is returning there. Now the next question is what exactly generative AI? This is my next question. Now this on Gemma 4 12 that's 12 that's installed in your system. You can use this offline. So here you can see this currently this is thinking and after that that will return. This all returning there first that thing this here. This is my question what exactly is generative AI. Then after that this is returning this output. So this is the option and very great or good AI tools for your Windows. You can choose locally on your systems. So this is how we can install Gemma 4 12B on Windows 11. So I hope guys this video is helpful for you. So now this video is over. So thanks for watching. See you next week. Thank you.